So tasks are pretty easy to make. You do F7 or you click this button right here, and well, first of all, you're gonna have to switch back to this guy. You don't need to, but it would be a good idea to do that. So to make a task, you go here, you go to Intel, you go to create a task, and now the owner of the task, you can do this. If you do this, you're gonna have to synchronize the created task module with the player unit. This will make you will have to synchronize to create a task module with the playable unit, but it will also show the task to the group. This is for multiplayer mostly. This one is for both sides, so, or no, both. This is for every side, which means blue for op for independent, civilian. Anyone will see this task. This one will be only the playable or the player unit will see it. These are only blue for, only up for, only independent, and only civilians. I'm gonna do all playable units for now, because I just don't want to have to synchronize every unit. So the task must have an ID. The task the ID I give to tasks is task 1, task 2, like that. Then it's gonna need a title. For the title, let's do gas station robbery. There we go. Then for the description, you're gonna write the title pretty much with an explanation of the situation, or whatever you want to write. Doesn't matter. I am gonna write stop the robber at the gas station. Alright, so you can do this. You can add the dot, you can add an exclamation mark, it doesn't matter. This don't count or don't matter at the moment. You can have, if you want the task to be assigned to the unit automatically, I'll show you how to do that. You're gonna have to do this. Like, you're just gonna have to do this pretty much. I don't need to show you, but I'm gonna keep on create so I can show you something else which is really cool to do. If you keep it on create, now you do this and you synchronize it, which is F5 or this chain thing, or you don't need to synchronize it at the moment. I didn't add the rest of the things. I'll press something. Give me a second. Alright, there we go. So back here, again, now since we have our task, we have created the task, we can now add a task. We're gonna do the task destination first. So first you want to ungroup them. The task, you're gonna put the task destination wherever you want the task to be completed at. So for example, if I want to say destroy the AAF base as a task, I'm gonna put the task destination on the AAF base. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on the gas station, and I'm gonna synchronize it with my created task module here. Now one second. Alright, sorry about that. I thought I had a recording problem, but I'm good. So let's continue. Now we're gonna add the set task state. This will tell if the task is created, assigned, succeeded, failed, or cancelled. We're gonna do task succeeded. Again, we're gonna ungroup them. I'm gonna stop using the AF keys because they stop the recording at sometimes, or not sometimes, yeah, sometimes. So you want to sync these again. You want to sync the set task state with the create task module. From here, oh yeah, now the task cannot be magically completed. Alright, so what we want to do, well, we're gonna give this unit a name first of all, robber, simple, and let's say we want the task to be completed when the robber is dead. So to do that, we're gonna add a trigger, and in condition we're gonna delete this, and we're gonna do exclamation mark alive space robber, or the unit name, semicolon. This will make the task be completed. You can zero these out, you don't need them. So after that, you sync the trigger with a set task state, and you're done basically. Here we'll preview the mission. So you spawn the car, and if you press J to see the tasks, you get this task: gas station robbery. Stop the robber at the gas station. Set task. So now I'm gonna start the engine. I'm gonna head to the gas station to stop the robber. Okay, great job. Great job, Alex. Alright, take two. I took the turn. Now we're driving to the gas station. Oh, I didn't set the tasks. So, yeah, you set the task and you just drive to the destination pretty much. Now, you're gonna have to command the AI to get out. So, you disembark.
Copy that.
I eject. And I find the robber.
75 meters. Front. Ready. Wait.
See, gas station robbery completed. So now you can make the mission even more complex than this. Well, this is not complex at all. So let's get on with it. All right. So let's abort again. Something cool we can do. When you spawn, you can do 50-50, yeah, and then we're gonna type on act hint space these marks, I don't know how you call them, sorry, and you just type what you want in there. Now this, or I am gonna type press J to check your tasks. So well, we don't need to be that big, we can do 20 by 20. Alright, so now when we do this, when we go on preview, you can see on the right corner, maybe, we forgot to do something, sorry about that. You're gonna have to do activation blue for, and now you're gonna be able to see on the right corner of the screen, press J to check your tasks. Now this will make the player who's playing to press J, check his task. So there we go, we can keep going as normal. Don't worry. Okay, I'm the most amazing driver in the world, I know. So don't worry, this will go away, see? It's fading away. No problem. So let's continue on. So let's say, oh well, actually we're gonna do the things I said with realistic traffic. So if you don't have traffic, you pretty much add the cars. So civilian cars, just add a few cars, just add a hatchback. You want to make them look at the way you want them to travel. So you add a hatchback, you maybe add a I don't know, an off-road maybe. You ungroup them again. There's a script to have realistic traffic, but you know, I'm showing you the old way so you can learn and then use scripts. I've been using the editor for 2 years, I believe, and I just got into scripting, which is for a project I'm doing. I'm not gonna say anything, but you will see it on Steam sometime soon. So you know, you don't need to have behavior, just do speed, do normal, that's good. And you just add checkpoints like this one. There we go. See now, this will make it look like just passing by. So let me just show you. If we get the robber again, play as a player. Yeah, you just get out. Alright, we can open this door. See? You can already hear the car. See, it looks like he's passing, he's driving. Or he even got out, what the hell? See, I got 2 hits on him, but I don't know why he ain't dying. Alright, so you pretty much do that. You don't need to do anything else. So, let's say now, when you kill the robber, you want to have a... You do that basically with all the cars you want to add. So let's say after you kill the robber, you want your commander to say good job or something like that. So you can do a different trigger, you can go on the same trigger, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna do it on the same trigger. If you want to do a different trigger, you just do the same condition but add what I'm gonna do on the act. So first of all, I'm gonna need a unit to be a commander. So when I do units for base or commanders, I just put them over here in the water. Nobody needs to see them. Just name him base, just so you can do the trigger, and now you can give him a name. If we go to modules and we go, is it here? No, it's not. I think it's group modifiers. Yep, set call sign. You can have these call signs, which are you know, Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta all the way to Zulu. You know, all the companies, as it says here. You can have platoon, you can have squad, but we don't want that. We want a custom call sign. That means whatever you write there, if any of you name that unit shit or poop or an idiot, he's gonna show up like this in chat. So we're gonna name this dude police captain maybe. Yeah. After this, you're gonna sync him with the call sign, and you won't have to use a call sign. You're gonna have to use whatever you name the unit, which is base. All right. So now when we go back here, I'm gonna type base side chat. This marks again. Great job. Can't type today. Great job, squad. Return to base. Alright, so we can just have him say that when the mission is complete. Well, we don't need an activation, obviously. So what else is there to do? I don't think there's anything else to do. We're done with the mission. I'm gonna show you this inside chat. So let's just drive to the mission. Hopefully I won't crash the car again like an idiot like last time. Let me just set the marker. Alright, shit.
Disembark. Copy that.
Alright, again. Oh, God.
Contact mark.
Alright, see, great job squad, return to base. So after we kill this dude, we can return to base. See, and he shows up as police captain. So you won't have to worry at all. I think that's it. Let me check if he wanted anything else to do for the mission, so I'm gonna show him how, and I'll be right back. So something else he wants is after the task is complete, he wants the cops to return to base. I'm gonna pretend that this is the base. I didn't change anything, as I only saved the mission. Which to do, you just to save. If you have never saved the mission before, you press save, but it's gonna look like this. You're gonna give the mission a name. You're gonna do user mission. You don't need to export it yet. I'll tell you what these means later. Okay, I actually saved as again. But then you load the mission from here, and you can clear it from here. You can do a lot of stuff. I'll show you what to do. So well, I'll show you how to auto assign tasks and how to get tasks after an objective is completed. So it's pretty simple to do. So again, yeah, I'm gonna have to create a task. It's gonna be on I can't believe I have to look for it every time. Intel, create a task, task queue, title, return to base, description, return to the police HQ. I don't know. Task created. Yes, sorry, I blacked out. The task created, blue 4. Just so I can show you, you don't need to do the same thing. You can do blue 4. Ungroup it. Now you're gonna sync it with the set task state, and you're gonna have to put assigned, not created. Sorry. So when this task is complete, this one will pop up and be assigned at the same time. I'll show you what I mean by pop up. So let's say now wait, let me actually finish the task. So set task destination, module position, do this, sync them, take the task destination to where it needs to be, which is over here. I'm gonna pretend that this is the police base. Let me even give it a marker. So blue 4 HQ, police HQ. Alright, so yeah, I also need the task state. So right here, set task state succeeded, ungroup, and sync with the create task and the trigger you want this to be assigned to. Well, you don't need to move it. I'm gonna move it, so I got lost. There we go. Alright, so I'm just gonna move it so I can sync it easier. So I want the trigger to be you don't really want anything in the trigger. Just do activation blue 4, and this is enough to make the task be completed. But let's say, for example, you want the commander and the captain to say welcome back. So you're gonna do again base side chat. What the hell? Side chat there's markers, there's marks actually, and welcome back. That's good enough. So let's test it. I want to do this. Oh shit, one sec, I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? Oh, yeah, I got it. This one must be synced with the set task state, and with this, no, with this. One second. I think I messed things up here. This is how you do it. I think. Let's check. So press J. Yeah, see, now you don't have the gas station robbery task. You set this as your task. You go over there. Now, after you drive there, you're gonna see what's gonna pop up. As you can see, we only have one task. The other one is not visible. Oh shit. See, I remember this time, even though I crashed into him. Alright, let's just...
Disembark. Copy that.
Doesn't matter, we can kill him. We can still kill him, no problem. So we get over here. Oh, we can take his car, no problem. We shoot him.
Contact soldier.
So see, the task pops up and return to base. So great job, squad. Return to base. Now when you get in here, tell your buddies to get in as well if you want them in. Just speed up things. Want to get in, buddy, or not? There we go. So no, it's an auto-assigned task. 1 second. I know what I did wrong, but doesn't matter. You have to just you don't have to return to base like that. Now when you return to base, it's gonna say welcome back. Just drive over there, so just so we can show it. So, well, it's actually a pretty good spot for a base. Welcome back. See, return to base, task completed. So this is how you do the basic mission. I'm gonna do an advanced. Well, not an advanced. I'm gonna show some advanced things later, probably in another video. But before we end it, I'm gonna show you some other things you can do. So, well, first of all, to fix what I did, you just gonna have to move this over here. I don't know why it does it sometimes, but it does. It makes you go back to the created task instead of the destination. So, well, what this star means that the mission is unsaved. So, you know, save it if you don't want to lose it. Then you can go into Intel and you can set a mission name. Now this will when you set a mission name, it will prevent your mission from looking like it would say, like, for example, 20% YouTube mission, 20% something, you know, it's just gonna have some random stuff that you don't need to have in the mission. So YouTube mission is the saved mission name, but this name will show up in the scenarios or the multiplayer. So let's just name it gas station robbery. Alright, you don't need to write description. The description will go under the mission picture. So let's just, well, we're gonna write a description. stop the gas station robbery. Simple as that. You can set a date. Let's make it be on September, or no, let's just do July, yeah, 16. Let's do 250. We'll do time. Well, the time can affect on how bright it is outside. If you do like 0 to 23, it's gonna be dark. So we're gonna do like 8:30, 8:35. The overcast is how fast this is how fast the weather will change. But you can add rain, you can add lightning, you can add waves, you can add wind, you can add lots of stuff. This will make you it will show how fast the weather will change while the mission is happening. And independents are friendly to this. Pretty straight up forward. If you place independent units, they can be friendly to nobody, to only blue 4 units, to only up 4 units, or to everybody. So easy. These ones you do not need to mess around with just yet. These are the textures that I said. You can also do Control T for the textures. You have the editor's layout. You can do the streamlined, which is Arma 3, and this is traditional one, the Arma 2. So if you are an Arma 2 veteran, I guess, you can use this one. Prefer this one much better over the Arma 2 one. To publish the mission, you go and publish. Yeah, you're gonna have to save it first. So to publish a mission, you go to publish on Steam Workshop, and see, these are my published missions. This one is a really old one, super old one. You don't need to play it. It's a bad one. There's not even an ending there. So this one is another one. It's, I don't know. I don't recommend it, seriously. See, I don't even recommend my missions. This is how bad they are. Now this one I would recommend. I kind of like it. Or not kind, I really like it. It's fun to play. So, well, mostly fun to play with your friends. So we're gonna do none of them. We're gonna go to unpublished gas station robbery. We give it a name, and you can give it tags. You edit the tags here. I'm not gonna publish it. It doesn't matter. You can have it be private, only for you. You can have it for friends only, so people are gonna have to be your friends to play it. You can have it public, which is for everyone. Then you also write a description here, so what the mission is. Then you select an image. You can let me just go to pictures. Let's just give I don't know, I guess we can give the mission this picture maybe. See, so you can give this mission, and if you go to default, you can get the mission, this thing back. This don't matter, but you have to agree. If you haven't published the mission yet, it's gonna say agree, so you're gonna have to press that. Then you publish it. I'm not gonna publish it because I don't want to publish this mission. But there's some more things we can show you. Well, let's just no, it doesn't matter. If you want to end the mission, I'll show you another video how to do some stuff like this. But this is a very basic mission. Just an example on how my friend wanted it. My friend wanted it to be he wanted the robber to start somewhere and the cops to start somewhere else. He wanted the robber to go inside the bank, rob the bank. Cops get there. He is the cop. He kills the robber, or stops the robber. Things like that. He's gonna. I just gave him or showed him how some stuff works. So he's gonna have to do the rest of it by himself, unfortunately. But I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope I make more videos for you guys to enjoy. Goodbye.